頑張れ。Japanese summers are hot, humid, and busy. With the kids home for summer vacation, I don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. So today, I'm making one of our favorite quick dinners. Cold Somen noodles are refreshing on hot days. By adding pork, eggs, and fresh summer vegetables, they become a simple, balanced meal that keeps us satisfied. Let's make it together. Today's menu is cold Somen noodle with pork and fresh summer vegetables, chilled tofu with kimchi and okra, sweet watermelon, and cold berry tea. I picked up these fresh summer ingredients during my last grocery shopping trip. I will link that video below if you'd like to see what's in season in Japan. The first things I do is get a pot of water boiling. While I wait, I prep all the vegetables. I'm using fresh summer vegetables and herbs today. One thing I love about the summer is that many vegetables can be enjoyed raw. I just slice them and the dinner comes together so much faster. Next, I quickly cook the pork. Helps the pork stay tender and perfect for hot summer days. This morning I boiled a few extra eggs, so I'm using one for dinner. It's an easy way to add extra protein with almost no effort. Simply meals don't just save time in the kitchen. They give me a little more time with my son.
うまいじゃん。うまくなっ
While the water is heating up, I make a quick side dish. I simply slice the okra and top the tofu with kimchi and okra. Kimchi makes it easy to add fermented foods to the meal. It's fresh, flavorful, and ready in just a few minutes. Now it's time to cook the somen noodles. Once they are cooked, I rinse them well under cold water. This keeps them firm and extra refreshing for summer. Instead of having somen noodle on their own, I add pork for protein and vitamin B1, which helps our bodies turn food into energy. And the fresh vegetables need no cooking Just slice and add. It's a simple way to make your summer meal more balanced. Itadakimasu. Hai, itadakimasu. 上手に食べてましょう。This is such a simple dinner, but it's one my family always enjoys in summer. Cold noodles are especially nice on hot days, and everyone can choose the toppings they like. I also love that I don't have to spend too much time in the kitchen. It gives me a little more time to sit down and enjoy dinner with my family. On busy night, simple is enough. A balanced meal doesn't have to be complicated. And of course, we finish with some cold watermelon, one of our favorite summer treats. If you'd like the simple guide to help you get started with a Japanese diet, I've created a free Japanese diet starter guide. You can download it from the link below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.